Aidonia had his 20th anniversary. There was somebody side stage that nearly stole the entire show.
No.
Singing the lyrics for Jackhammer word for word. Were you prepared for that moment? Was that something planned, or how did that moment even come around there? Because that right there was one of the biggest moments.
Yes, and I think it's just energy, because when the rhythm played, the man just flipped the mic so. Me I say, all right, Prettii, you can't off me now. So me I listening up, but because I'm not on the stage, it's hard.
You don't have monitors.
Yeah. So it's hard for me ear, and it's hard for people hear me also. That's the only thing. Like, me hear one little piece side. Then I know say it start now. So some me say, the girl ball, oh, she say it at me. You know, me start and whatever. Because everybody are cheering on and everything, the people them not really hear me. So that's when TC take the mic now and say, too much nice, I'm want. When I hear what my friend has say or whatever, and she start big up Aidonia and things them or whatever, me I say, all right then now. When it play over back now, I do it in a my way now. So I'm daddy again, I'm look at Mr. Doing and I say everybody, I say, oh, it's my moment again. So I'm say to my team, say, me a flip back that day song. Day, me na ask you. I want it be the CM, just a flip, the girl version.
When you ball royal, when it's hot, me no stop me say.